The fastest way to add photos to your notes on the Mac is to drag and drop them. This works for any attachment, not just images. The Photos icon on the main toolbar lets you add photos from the Photos app. The app adds full-size images that you might want to resize. Right-click the image to bring up a pop-up menu. Then go to View As and choose Small. The small size is very tiny though, almost unusable. Another way to add photos to Apple Notes on the Mac is using your iPad or iPhone camera. Under the Photos icon, you can see that my 12.9-inch iPad is close to my MacBook with a few options. You want to go to the option for taking photos. Once you've activated this, you have to take a photo on your phone or iPad, and it will get added to the bottom of your notes. So here it is. To move it up, grab the image and use the cursor to direct where you want to put it. When you right-click your image, you have a pop-up menu that lets you cut, copy, paste, and share your image. But we're more interested in the interactions that you can have with your photos in Apple Notes. You can rename the photo, or have a quick preview of it, which opens your image with features that will let you share the image or use live text. Open Attachment opens the image in a full markup window. Away from Apple Notes. As you can see, all your photos in Apple Notes go above or below your body text. They don't mix it all with your body text. Apple Notes also adds videos to your notes. Unlike your photos, the right-click pop-up menu doesn't have the option to resize your video. You can play the video in full screen, rewind or fast forward 15 seconds, and adjust the playback speed. You can stop your video to extract any text or handwriting from the screen using live text. Live text also works when you're not in full screen mode.